Hello, investors and enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered if Tesla's meteoric rise is sustainable? Are you curious to know whether investing in this groundbreaking company is still a wise decision? Well, you're in the right place. Get ready to dive into the world of stocks and witness the electrifying journey of Tesla, the undisputed giant in the electric vehicle industry. In this video, we're going to embark on an exciting adventure as we attempt to predict the future performance of Tesla's stock. We'll be exploring the factors that could influence Tesla's future stock performance and uncovering insights that could shape your investment strategies. Elon Musk, like him or not, revolutionized the auto business with Tesla. Tesla has developed into one of the greatest publicly traded businesses in the world based on market capitalization since its foundation in July 2003. Tesla is best known for its electric vehicles, but it also makes energy-generating and storage devices, which are in higher demand these days. Tesla has, however, encountered some serious difficulties. Production delays have also been brought on by supply chain problems, labor issues, and Musk's occasionally erratic behavior and social media presence. The future of Tesla's stock is unclear. The company's stock has a lot of promise, but it also has a lot of obstacles to overcome. Here is everything you should know about Tesla's previous performance and possibilities for the future before investing your money in it. What was the 2022 performance of Tesla, TSLA? Tesla fared admirably in 2022. Its overall sales increased $27.64 billion from the prior year to $81.46 billion. As the company expanded delivery of its Model 3 and Model Y automobiles, sales revenue climbed 52% from the previous year, and revenue from regulatory credits for the automobile industry rose by 21% over the previous year. However, the business fell short of its delivery goals for 2022. In 2022, it sold 1.3 million cars, but that was less than what was needed to fulfill Musk's promise to increase deliveries by 50% almost annually. Returns on Tesla stock in 2022. Tesla's stock rose dramatically over the last 10 years, and in October 2021, TSLA surpassed $400 per share. However, previous year's performance was more rocky. Tesla's stock price ended the day at $399.93 on January 1, 2022. However, on December 30th, 2022, 12 months later, at market close, it had dropped to just $123.18, a 69% decline. Tesla did not distribute dividends in 2022, but that is typical of a business with a growth-oriented strategy. The company has never paid dividends and does not plan to do so in the near future, according to its annual report. Performance of Tesla's stock over the last 5 years. Despite difficulties over the past year, Tesla has nevertheless generated sizable gains over the prior 5 years. Tesla's stock price climbed between June 1, 2018 and June 1, 2023, rising from $19.06 to $203.93 a share. In June 2023, a $1,000 investment in Tesla would have been worth $10,604 if it had been made in June 2018. Comparing Tesla's performance to that of the 3,000 equities listed on the NASDAQ market is the NASDAQ Composite Index. We selected to use the Fidelity NASDAQ Composite Index Fund, FNCMX, an index fund that seeks to replicate the price and returns of the NASDAQ Composite Index for purposes of comparison. The cost of the FNCMX grew from $99.46 to $163.68 between June 1, 2018 and June 1, 2023, a 65% increase in 5 years. In June 2023, the value of a $1,000 investment in FNCMX would have increased to $1,636.80. In this instance, investing in Tesla as opposed to the index fund would have enabled you to increase your money's growth by about $9,000. Tesla's strengths. Innovation. Musk established Tesla's reputation by using cutting-edge technologies. Although there have been hybrid cars and various attempts at electric vehicles, Tesla upended the market with its stylish, potent, all-electric cars. Additionally, it attracted customers searching for an alternative to the conventional sales strategy by employing a direct sales model as opposed to dealerships. Tesla's weaknesses. Competition. Due to its all-electric vehicle's rapid acceleration and extensive charging range, Tesla at its peak stood out. Tesla led the electric vehicle market because well-known automakers like Ford and Chevrolet were still reliant on gas-powered automobiles. The auto industry is very different now. Electric vehicles are being produced by more manufacturers, and some businesses like Lucid Motors, LCID, are creating models that could pose a serious threat to Tesla. What will TSLA's future performance be like? In the past, Tesla has produced impressive results. Analysts are hopeful for its future despite the challenges it has endured in the last year or two. Tesla received a buy recommendation in a Nasdaq study of 30 analysts' recommendations. These experts projected Tesla's price to be $198.54 on average over the next 12 months, with a high aim of $280 and a low forecast of roughly $85. Tesla might be a wise choice for long-term investors searching for a business that can produce higher-than-average returns. However, in order to reduce the amount of risk you take on, it may be a good idea to diversify your portfolio by investing in exchange-traded funds, ETFs, mutual funds, or index funds so your investment isn't dependent on the performance of a single firm. We hope you gained valuable insights and perspectives that will guide your investment decisions. Remember, investing in the stock market requires careful analysis and consideration, and it's always essential to do your own research. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow investors. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all our future market analyses. Thanks for joining us today, and may your investment journey be as electric as Tesla's rise to success.